Alright, so today, papanoorin natin yung upload ni Miss Mojo. Kasi ito ay is a big deal kasi palagi niyang kinokontent yung SB19 at international YouTuber to si Miss Mojo. Parang, welcome to Watch Mojo. Di ba ganun yun? Di ba siya yun, siguro kasama niya to, kapatid niya to. Pareho silang apelyido Mojo. Pero yun, yung title nito, Every Song in SB19 Simula at Wakas Ranked. So ito yung mga favorite niya. Hindi, tawag nito, ni-rank niya yung lahat ng kanta sa EP na Simula at Wakas. At big deal to para i-cover to ng isang international YouTuber. Siyempre, hindi naman siya sobrang big deal kasi number 3 naman tayo behind BTS and Blackpink. So ganun talaga, man. Top 3 tayo buong mundo. Buong Asia. We're top 3. Ha? Ha? Napakaangas. P-pop top 3, BTS, Blackpink yung 1 at 2. Men! Ha? Tumabi kayo, mga sisikuhin nyo kayo eh. SB19 lang malakas, boss. Okay, tuloy. Masyado kong nadadala sa emosyon. Okay. Let's start this. Para malaman natin. By the way, number 1 ko, Time. So, tignan natin. Start.
May kumatok sa pintuan
kong nakakandado.
May kumatok sa pintuan.
Welcome to Miss Mojo. And today, we're counting down our picks for the songs from P-pop powerhouse SB19's EP, Simula at Wakas. Number 6, Time.
What?
It is virtually impossible not to tear.
Nasaktan mo ba ako? Gusto mo ma-aprakatin kita, Miss Mojo? Salamat ka, babae ka at hindi ako nananakit ng girls. Hindi, joke lang. Time, leaving behind. Nasaktan mo ba ako? Ha? Kakasabi ko lang number 1 ko yan, tapos hinuli mo? Okay. Ayoko na. I-stop na tong hype na to. Okay, so number 6 niya yung Time. Medyo nasaktan ako, pero okay. Let's listen to what she's gonna say. What she has to say. Okay.
For a classic SB19 power ballad.
Every one of us has their own, own song about time. Maybe your family, your loved ones, or maybe your dog, your passion to something, but you shouldn't take time for granted.
Yeah. The message is very universal.
Time is the quintessential, emotionally charged soundtrack. It is poignant and tugs at our heartstrings with the force of familiarity.
Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can't control.
We've all been there, contemplating missed opportunities and lost connections, wallowing in regret over things left unsaid. So when SB19 brings such heavy, wistful sentiments to the surface with their emphatic vocals, it lands with power.
Damn, okay.
Their robust runs contrasted with the feather-light falsettos convey an ache that could only have come from a place of genuine sincerity.
Feather-like falsettos? Chef's kiss. Dapat lang talagang ang tawag nito? Ano ba yung dapat lang talagang bigyan ng recognition yung mga ganyang boses. Ang ganda eh.
Flawless in technique and full of heart, Time is like the weathered and wise older brother of Mappa. Although not unexpected, it is a welcome addition to the EP nonetheless.
Man, para sa akin yung kapatid niya Niebe. Hindi Mappa. Mappa kasi para sa specifically for your mom and dad eh. Diba? Mappa, kaya ang Mappa yung title eh. Pero para sa akin yung kapatid ng Time is yung Niebe talaga. Kasi punyeta, napakalayo niya talaga eh. Iba? Ibang bansa. Okay.
Number 5, 8-Ton Ball. SB19 is...
Chuck ka? Chuck. Ito yung number 1 ni Chuck, ni Casual Chuck. Sinasaktan tayo, pre. Gusto mo uppercutin ko, pre? Number 6 yung Time, yung number 1 ko. Number 5 yung sa'yo.
May quite a reputation
Number
for their
5 niya.
bombastic concerts. The members set the stage on fire with their unmatched charisma, sending fans into a trance.
Excuse me.
8-Ton Ball is the kind of song that could mark the climax of such a show.
Heavy metal, get it, put it down low. Better get it with a shuttle, let's go. Bit around, little brother, I say we roll, get ready now, go.
With earned braggadocio pumping through the lyrics,
Braggadocio?
which Josh Coe wrote, this song is powered by guts and spunk. The rapping
Spunk?
is impressive,
Ayun.
no doubt, but the bars go especially hard, enough to make us want to learn to
But the bars go especially. Hip-hop ka pala, boss eh. Hip-hop pala si Miss, Miss Mojo. Okay. Bars. Gets na gets niya pala yun, okay.
plug just so we can sing along.
So what else, guys?
The song's breathless flow is delectable, as always, and we eat it up every time. SB19 isn't just paving the way for P-pop, they're wrecking the glass ceiling like a literal 8-ton ball.
Narinig niyo ba yun, mga sabi ni Miss Mojo? They're not just paving the way. They're breaking the ceiling dahil sa 8. Thank you, Miss Mojo. Totoo yan. Ayop kayo.
Number
Dila ba
4,
naman basta?
Dam. The lead
Dam.
single for Simula at Wakas establishes the band's signature style once and for all. Dam is tangible proof of the group's originality, but it all
Shit, man. Number 4 yung Dam. Akala ko number 1 niya yun. Kung sabihin Dungka yung number 1 niya, pero okay naman Dungka. Shit, man. Dungka yung number 1 niya. Wag, Dam. Akala ko number 1 yung Dam. Ano ba kiramdam? Okay. I thought shooting with the stars. Akala ko ngayon yung last eh. Okay. Damn. What?
also carries something deeply personal.
Personal, legit.
Taking the creative reins into their own hands, SB19 conceptualized the ancient worldview seen in the music video, breaking new ground. Meanwhile, Pablo's lyrics portray the members' internal conflicts and their unrelenting hunger to reach the pinnacle of not just success, but artistic expression.
Damn.
Then the chorus hits with surgical precision, resonating like a mantra. The members poured their souls into this piece, birthing another viral moment like Gento. However, between you and us, this one might have the cooler choreography. If you can't get enough of them, just check out the extended version.
Sabagay. Between you and us, this one might ewan ko sa'yo, Miss Jo, ba't ka kasi nag-i-English, ha? Pwede.
Number 3, Shooting for
Okay,
the Stars.
yes, okay.
Call
Pwede,
us
pwede.
biased, but if we could only listen to one song from this EP on repeat, it would be this one.
Okay, so parang yung basis ni Miss Mojo. Bakit Miss O? Ha? Si Miss O, ikaw kasi palagi nakikita ko eh. Shoutout kay Miss O, gagawin malapit yan. Then si Miss Mojo pala yung basis niya, kung ano yung parang good to the ears, to listen to. Kaya nga, yun talaga kasi is a song. Yun yung basis niya. Okay. Sige. Siguro, ito yung nag-ano sa international ears na meron si Miss Mojo. Pero subjective naman yun. Pero okay, I get it.
Distance, I found the one in a million.
Shooting for the Stars is a radiant and joyful ode to dreams, but still intimate like a whisper between lovers. Propelled by a marching band sound,
Landi
it
mo,
reaches
ah.
a disco pop crescendo and melts into an effervescent chorus that can chase the darkest blues away.
Hindi na ako mapagsalita.
For the stars, aiming high, the universe is ours, yours and mine.
Okay.
Soon after, it seamlessly settles into a groovy drum beat that gives the track a new dimension. However, the best part about this song is that it's unapologetically pop with mass appeal, and that's not easy to nail. SB19 may have
Okay.
shot for the stars, but they landed on the moon with this one.
Okay. I believe you, man. Shooting at the Stars is Nice song, man. Okay. Medyo kinilabutan ako sa mga nice words na sinasabi ni Miss Mojo. Thank you, Thank you.
Number 2, Quit.
Quit.
SB19
damn.
threw us back to our 2000s emo rock era with this hit, and we're obsessed. Quit is unlike anything we've ever heard or even expected from the band, which is why it highly impressed us. Alongside Pablo, the group's
legit, no? Damn. I think I need to watch Quit's lyrics video kasi hindi ko pa napapanood for me to appreciate it more. Kasi nung unang napakinggan ko siya, sobrang lalim din ang ano niya sa puso ko eh. Parang sa tingin ko siya yung parang number 2 sa akin eh. Now, Quit, Time, Quit, Dungka, Damn. I guess that's my list. Pero yung Quit nung napakinggan ko siya, unang nirinig ko sa kanya, ang sarap niya na talaga eh. Ibang level siya eh.
President rockstar Ken picked up the pen for this song, and his sonic identity is unmistakably felt. A dark and smoldering Bring Me the Horizon style intro is followed by the raw intensity of the introspective lyrics.
That's what I would tell him when I would cry.
If you listen to the words, really listen, the song takes on a confessional tone. It almost feels like you're intruding on a profoundly vulnerable moment. The members don't shy away from true
Parang nalilito ako sino number 1 ko, Time o Quit. Ang ganda kasi talaga nitong hype na
when it comes to making art that matters, and for that, SB19 has our respect. Before we continue, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. You have the option to be notified for occasional videos or all of them. If you're on your phone, make sure you go into your settings and switch on notifications. Number 1, Dunka. Nothing beats a triumphant celebration of culture. In Dunka, SB19 is loud and proud, reveling in the richness of their Filipino identity.
Sabagay, guess ko naman yung about number 1.
From politics to pop culture, sports, and fiery rap battles on the streets, the music video is a sparkling glimpse into the vibrancy of life in the Philippines. With Filipino icons like Maymay and Queen Yasmin joining SB19 on screen, Dunka is in a league of its own. The song itself is a rip-roaring riot of defiant energy that can hardly be contained. In a genius move, SB19 even mockingly asks, is it noisy, as if predicting and dismissing the song's classification as noise music by critics. This is why SB19 is the GOAT, always leaving us wanting more.
You heard it right here. This is why SB19 is the GOAT, the greatest of all time. Say it!
Which SB19 member do you think ruled the Simula at Wakas era?
Wala, lahat sila syempre. Okay. Thank you so much for that video, Miss Mojo. And that was the list of Miss Mojo, man. And nung una medyo skeptical ako, medyo, bakit gano'n na? Hangal ka ba? Hindi. Pero, as she explains it, I get it. Oo nga, no? Pero walang nagbago sa list ko. Pero yung Quit, man, naalala ko talaga kung gaano kalupit yung hayop na yun, man. I don't know. Time is my favorite, but pahingan ko muna yung Quit ulit at baka magbago yung pananaw ko. But man, this EP is amazing. Walang tapon. It's amazing. Congratulations SB19. Congrats 18 for this wonderful relationship na talagang dapat forever siya. Kaya dapat SB19 huwag kayo mabuwag. Kundi aaparkatin ko kayo at kaming 18, aaparkatin namin kayo. Hindi, joke lang. Pero always remember that we're always here for you, man. Palagi kami nandito. 18 will always support and love you. Diba? Yeah. Bye.